You have so much money to pay in your electric bill. This vlog is requested from one of our subscribers at YouTube, Miss Black Blood. Hi Giselle. Good morning Giselle. Shout out sa'yo. So request mo, house tour. So dito tayo sa aming bahay. First of all, isa po akong OFW. Katrabaho sa bansang Qatar at saka sa Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. So, ang bahay na to ay sa paggawa po ng aking misis. Siya po ay nagtatrabaho man din sa iba't ibang bansa. Isa din po siya ang OFW, of course. First Qatar, then Oman, then Abu Dhabi. So, let's start dito sa aming room. This is a small room, part of our house. Good. Yan, sarap dito tulog. Yeah! Okay? Yan. Hindi na kailangan lagay ng foam. Okay yan, masarap sa pakiramdam. Malamig. All concrete yan. Malaki. Iba yung concrete. Saka yung pintura. Ang ganda. Hindi basta-basta nababakbak. Hindi basta-basta natipid yung pintura niya. Saka may bintana. Yun. Ang bintana na ito, mga ka-wifi, is grills. Yeah. Iron. Baka. Then, cabinet. Ano ang laban ng cabinet? Hindi ko alam. So, dito. Yan ang semi budika, no? So, meron kami ayan. We are religious also, you know, because we are Christians. Yun. So, yun ang buliga namin. So, we have a lot of soft drinks kasi medical soft drinks, old shoes, old boxes. So, welcome to our living area. So, ito ang sala. So, hindi ko na yan isa-isahin pa kasi hindi tayo matapos, So, ito. TV, sofa, and frames. Yan, frames na yan. Galing kayo sa Baguio. Yan. So, ayan ako, Yan. So, yan yung nagmamahal, Yan ako, siyempre, misis ko. Picture namin ng kasal, at saka yung mother-in-law, tsaka yung misis ko na nasa lobyan ng aeroplano, papunta kami Surigao. So, hindi pa natanggal yung Christmas decor ni wifey, nakakats pa. So, okay lang yan. So, dito naman ang frames, yan sila. Itong frames na to, galing to ng Abu Dhabi. Yan, frames. Galing ng Abu Dhabi yan. Ayan ang pamilya nila. Pinsan, nalabaw na yung yung picture kasi cellphone lang ang gamit pag kuha ng picture nila. And welcome to dining area. Ito ang aming table. Our table is 6 by 8. So 1 by 8. Yan. Kahoy po yan. Kahoy, totoong kahoy yan. Hindi yan. Gawa-gawang kahoy yan. Totoong kahoy yan. Yan. So, andito ang speaker, nakarating dito. At nakarating din si Jollibee. Jollibee. Yung sa mga alagang Jollibee. Alaga si Jollibee. Mga Jollibee, alaga mo yan. Mostly, ang gamit namin dito sa house is from abroad. Galing abroad. Home center. Galing ng home center. Yan. Mga karamihan galing home center. Ang aming mga plato, kutsara, baso, bawal. Everything from home center. Meron kami lagayan ng bigas. So we have saging, we have, gabi. This is old refrigerator, old. So walang laman. Old washing machine, wala din laman sila. So we have our toilet here. That's our toilet. So yan ang toilet namin. Yes. Okay. Off lights. of lights. Yan, may window dito. At ito ang alaga namin. Hi! She's busy eating, no? It's our kitchen. Yeah. Our new friends. So, pinili namin to nang dumating kami dito sa Pilipinas. Sa bahay namin. Yun ang kitchen namin. See around. Okay. We have bananas. See. Yeah, that's a good thing. We are living in the province. We have lots of bananas, fresh foods, fresh vegetables. So let's go to tour. So let's go to our porch, a small balcony. Yeah. So that's my motorcycle, shoes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So outside, it's raining. We have frames also here. Okay. Kahoy. So let's off the lights. And off the lights. So let's go to the second floor. On the lights. Second floor. This is second floor. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 steps. So, this is glass. Yung liwanag sa labas, magre-reflect ito sa loob. Maganda. No? Glass. Hindi ko alam ang tawag niya. Tibay ng pagkagawa nito. Ang laki, oh. Ang laki ng concrete. So here, open the light, please. Then, we are in the second floor, the living area, and the second floor. So here, hindi naman natutulog. Dito naman tayo sa master bedroom namin. Open the light, please. Yan, sa bedroom. Yan, meron kaming kama, oh. Bed, made of hard bamboo. Tibay nito, bigat. Hindi kaya ng 2 tao buhatin to. Mostly 3, 4. Okay? Itong kahoy na to, cabinet, small drawer, is from home center. From abroad. Okay? Again, window, made of grits, iron. See outside, makikita mo ang mga maraming tanim. Mango, jackfruit, banana, everything. So you have to love yourself. Just love. Just enjoy. Don't make crazy things. Just love. Just follow your heart. Okay. In the master bedroom we have these things. So again, thank you Jesus for keeping us safe. And we have this toilet. Open the light, please. Yeah. Second floor toilet we have here. Okay. Off light, please. Iba ito ng Wi-Fi. Whereas, okay, window. When you open this window, you can see the extension. Balcony, station balcony lang. Yan ang small room. Off light, please. So I have also here, of course, my speaker from Bose. Computer speaker, small but very nice sounds. Again, we're going to open the door, please. Balcony on second floor. Oh wow, nice. So we have Duyan. Yeah, after my busiest time, all over the day, I will make Duyan here. Okay? Duyan there, racing, mobile, and we have also extension the race. That's going into the back. Yeah. This one that called the trellis. That one I make. The one that I suggest to my wife to make the trellis. It's supposed to be you have to make paint, but now still as is like that because we are busy doing our business first. First, this one. Oh my God, it's raining. What a beautiful day, what a beautiful life here in the provinces. Yes, it's raining. But the problem is I cannot fly my drone so that you can see the whole picture of the house. It's raining, it's cold, but it's very lovely. So God bless please. Oh, that's nice. That's good we have noise in the door because sometimes other people coming inside or coming outside, we heard from downstairs that the door is opening, no? So off the light please. And off the light please again. Thank you very much. So we're going to downstairs. So anyway, first of all, we have this one speaker. This Sony, you know, Sony home theater. This is 1x6, 1x5. I mean, 1x5 is one player and 5 speakers. So woofer and 4 speakers like this. Hello, we have a staff boys here. Staff boys, hi, good morning. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Let's play, let's play. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna share with you how many lights we have in this house. There's too many lights, too many switches, like that. Too many switches. So in our master bedroom, we have 1 light, and the toilet 1, and outside the window we have 1 also there. You can see one light there, so 3. Here, living area, living room, the second floor, we have 1, 2, 2 lights, and small room is 1 also. How many now? 3, 6. So in here, outside, we have also 1. See, 1 light, 2, 8. Okay. So let's go to the switch. No need to go to for the lights. So how many switches? 2, 4, 6, 7. See how many lights here. Okay. Lights on please. See how many switches. That's 5 switches. 7 switches. 8, 9, 10, 11, and this switch is lights from outside. 13. Oh my God, lots of switches. Hey, 1 switch. Too many switches in this house. Switch. Too many switches. It's 1 light. Okay, 1 here. We have 2 switches. 1, 2 also there. So many switches outside from this door, exit door. Switch, 5 switches. Too many switches. I know, guys. That's the house of my chicken. That's the house of my chicken. Okay. One day I'm gonna make live video for that house. Okay? 1 switch. So many switches in our house. We have so many lights. You have so much money to pay in your electric bill. It's going crazy. You need to work hard to get money to pay for the electricity. So that's all, Miss Giselle. As your request, now I made the house tour. I hope you like this video. I hope you're gonna share it. And I hope you're gonna, ask your friends to subscribe my channels. Again, shout out to my friends in UAE, United Arab Emirates. I have too many friends there in Abu Dhabi and Dubai because I am very friendly. Yes. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi. Huwag niyo po pabayaan yung sarili. I know how it feels when I work in abroad. It's very, very boring, just all barrier in your, surroundings. It's very difficult. But in the Philippines, you are free if you come back. But anyway, just take care of yourself and sleep well.